and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not sponsored and it is the unboxing of my summer FabFitFun. I'm super excited about this box because it's a quarterly subscription service that comes, and I did do some add-ons. So if you guys want to see what I got in my FabFitFun box for the summertime, make sure to stay tuned. But quick little reminder, there is still a big giveaway going on. If you check my description box down below, I have listed the link to the video where you can go and enter to win a bunch of beautiful C-Color Cosmetics 9-pan palettes. So definitely check my description box so you can enter into that giveaway. It's going on until, I think I put it up for until July 8th. So definitely go over there and check that out. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Because look at this, guys. I got goodies and everything. I get so excited over FabFitFun. It's a quarterly subscription. Like I said, I'm a little too excited. And the nice thing about it is you get to do add-ons, which I'm going to go ahead and do for you guys first because it's sitting right here. And the nice thing about these add-ons is you get a discounted price when you purchase these add-ons. So it's not part of your subscription, but it does give you a great way to get affordable products. And a lot of the times it's products that have been in previous boxes with FabFitFun. So I'm gonna stop my yip yapping and carrying on. And what I picked up is I did get 3 of these. These were actually in my first box that I purchased from FabFitFun. Like I said, it's $49.99. They did give a $10 off coupon for your first box. It's Vacation 10. Now, you guys know I'm transparent with y'all. That is an affiliate code, so if you do use it, I do get a little bit of a commission. But this is what I picked up. This is by Course, and this is like a hand lotion, body lotion, and it's absolutely amazing. I literally just finished mine up about a month ago, I think, month and a half ago. And so I think these were like $10 or $15. So I picked up 3 more of them. I absolutely love these lotions. The next item I did get is the Beauty Crop Lightning Crew Nourish with Pineapple Tea. What is this? I don't even know what I got on this one. It's a lightweight hydrating cream, and oh, it's like a little moisturizer. This is what it looks like, guys. And it's a little tube. I kind of felt like this would be a good, like, on the go, or if you're traveling or something, kind of like a facial moisturizer that has a little bit of radiance in it, similar to like the Charlotte Tilbury. It's one of those days. First video of the day, guys, and I'm overly excited about what's in here. So it's like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish filter thing, or the Wander Beauty Glotion. That's what I'm thinking this is like. So I did pick that up. And then the last item that I added onto my subscription is by Summer and Rose, and I actually last quarter picked up some of their sunglasses, and I use them like every single day. So I thought that this was really pretty, and they were really affordable. They're just small little gold hoops, and let's see if it'll focus. You guys see that? Isn't that pretty? I thought they were cutesy, and again, really affordable, not overpriced or anything. So let's go ahead and get into this box right here. I do recall that last year's box for the summertime was absolutely amazing. I am so excited about it. I don't watch anybody's unboxings of their subscriptions until after I've unboxed mine, because I get so excited, and I'd like to keep it a surprise. So I'm talking too much. Okay, so getting right into it. This is a heavy box. So here's what the inside is. As always, you always get a magazine similar to Boxycharm, IPSY+, all of that. And in the little, this is like a little bit more detailed. It's like an actual magazine, but in here, towards the back, it normally tells you the items that are in your, or is it in the front? I don't remember. Somewhere in here, it tells you, yeah, what's in your box. I'm not going to read it because I like to keep it a surprise. So you always get these little things in here. This is for HelloFresh. It's an $80 off gift card. Ooh, okay. And here you go. Now I will tell you guys some of the items, because I'm just like a basic member with FabFitFun, so I don't pay extra to choose more of the things. I think you only, if you're basic, I think That sounds so goofy. I think if you're the basic package of FabFitFun or with FabFitFun, you only get to choose like 3 of your products, I think. I can't remember. So the first item I did get is the Invisibobble. I think that's what it's called. No, yeah, Invisibobble. These are the little hair doodads. I actually really like these. I had originally got them for my youngest daughter, and they're really good about not tangling up in your hair, and I like it. It's a smaller size because my hair is not as thick as I would love it to be. The next item I got is the Generation Clay Brightening Purple Ultraviolet Mask. And of course I will go over prices at the end and let you guys know the grand total of this box. Mind you, I did spend $49.99 flat. That's it. That's what I love about it. There's no hidden like taxes or anything, at least not that I have found. Ooh, I've got a mystery choice, so I guess I did not pick this. They picked it for me? I don't know. I don't recall this. It's like a month beforehand. They will send an email and say, hey, pick your things. So it looks like they surprised me with the Dr. Brandt Purifying Cleanser. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It is completely full size, so we love that. The next item I got is the Wish Powerfully Effective Naturals Coconut and Milk Exfoliating Foot Mask. It smooths and softens, and has a lot of hydration, so love that. Let's see if it'll focus. Ooh, this is exciting. The next item I got is by Kula. It is the SPF 30 Makeup Setting Spray. What the heck? I didn't even know this was a thing. Did you guys know this was a thing? Hold on, I gotta get into it. Oh my goodness. Hold on, we have to try this, guys. Oh, it smells nice. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Contains 70% organic ingredients. Did you guys know this was a thing? I had no idea this was a thing. It's in a nice bottle too. Wow. Again, full size. I'm keeping that out. Ooh, what is this? 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. This is heavy. What the heck? I love this stuff because some of these brands I've never even heard of, or even if I've heard of the brand, I've never heard of the specific product. Wow, this is like a whole set of masks. That's amazing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Like I said, guys, I'm going to go over the prices at the very end and give you a grand total, just like I do with my Boxycharm and IPSY videos. So, blown away. Never tried that, but I like the fact that it says it's a brightening facial treatment. So it says the advanced structure, blah, 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 blah. It enhances absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that keeps skin perfectly hydrated. And right off the bat, looking at the ingredients, I don't seem to mind them. So yay. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's a silicone wine glasses. It's a set of 2. I'm gonna have to open this. Let's just see what this is all about. How cute is this little bag? Oh my goodness. It is like little tumblers. That is too funny. I may end up just putting that in a giveaway. I think they're cute, but I'm never gonna remember to carry these around with me, knowing me. Okay, the next item I got is Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I don't know if that focused. I don't think it did, but that is awesome. Again, another full-size product. What is this? Looks like the last item I did get is some clothing thing. What is this? Oh, that's cute. It's like a little robe. And then it has the little, so that's a cute little like cottony robe. I like that. Great for the summertime. Okay guys, so like I said, this was $49. Let me add everything up for you guys. Okay guys, are you guys ready for this? All of this amazing stuff that I got, and I honestly did not see this is some sort of mystery gift, the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. I didn't see this in here, so somehow I ended up getting this as an extra little freebie. But $49.99, and this whole box total came to $393.95. Amazing. You guys, here's what blew my mind. These 5-pack of masks alone were $160. Like, what? That's expensive, and I never would have purchased that out of pocket. So that is a perfect example of the fact that something that was $165 sheet mask I'm gonna throw away, and I only paid $49.99. This Kula Organic SPF 30 is $36 all by itself, guys. So again, really excited with all of the products that I got in here. I think the only thing that I'm a little questionable on was the little silicone wine glasses, but that's not going to be in everybody's box. So, I mean, it's one of those things where, you know, you might get something you don't like, but when everything else is definitely something that you would use, like, who doesn't love smooth, soft feet? I do. Anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. If you did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. I try and keep this very, very quick because I don't want to bore you guys, you know? I mean, I do talk a lot, so, and I'm rambling. I need to hush. Anyways, huge shout out and lots of love to my Patreons, Cami, Maria, and Rachel. Thank you guys so much for the birthday love and being part of my Patreon family. Thank you to each and every single one of you who decide to subscribe after today's video. And of course, don't forget my description box down below for the giveaway. And as always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I am actually becoming more and more active over there on different social media. So go over there and join the crew, join the family, and let's chit chat. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.